One remaining for Karnataka Bulldozers. In the air, just chipping it. It's again a good delivery. He's looking good at the moment.
These are the people, the board of directors of CCL, who started this project. It all started way back in 2003. That's Vishnu, the managing director. It was a huge success in 2003. We have all the cricket stars, the film stars, the actors. They're in Hyderabad at the Lal Bahadur Shastri Stadium. Now from there it has come to this now, where we are playing the season 2 of the Celebrity Cricket League. So well done, Vishnu and his team here. They had a vision and they have brought forth this vision for the spectators. They've got together 6 sides here for the Celebrity Cricket League. They want to go for the single. He has to come back. After 3, it's 19 without loss.
So you can log on to the website as well, cclt20.in, and get the latest scores, the news about CCL. And what a picture, what a sight this one. The stadium at the moment is just rocking here in Bengaluru. Very, very good game on the cards here. Interesting battle going on in the middle. And Mumbai Heroes desperate to win this game. That struck well, playing along the carpet. Room was provided by Dhruv, and good running, excellent running, showing that impetus. One short run signaled by the umpire.
Oh dear. But at least the intensity is there. There is hunger in both these players. They ran the first one very hard. While turning back for the second run, it was Varun Rao. Yeah, this is what happened. He failed to touch his bat inside the popping crease. Good decision by the umpire. He was extremely watchful.
Yeah, surely having eagle eyes. Definitely a very good umpiring. These are the finer points of the game. As a batsman, you've got to be dead sure. You ground your bat, go into the crease at the non-striker's end. Once again, a very good fielding. The fielder charging in, overthrows, resulting in another run. The captain not very happy. Sudeep, he can't tolerate it.
Now that speaks about his intensity. He wants 100% effort from his boys. He's an aggressive player. He's injured, but he's still on the ground keeping wickets for his side. He wants more commitment for him from his players. And Ajay, the more I see these players in action, the more I get impressed. These are film stars, these are actors, they're not cricketers. But look at the effort they have put in. Oh, look at him. He's getting everybody together. That's the kind of energy levels one has seen in this entire CCL season 2. And it's not an easy skill to learn. So they are giving their best shot. There is so much of effort. They've worked hard on their game. And we've seen improvement with each and every game.
Yeah, very rightly mentioned, Sabah. They are masters in their own trade, but they're definitely mastering cricket now. They're giving their all. Down the leg side, very good take from the captain, limping, but no dearth of commitment. Why the call from the umpire? Extras now 7, all 7 wides.
He saves a certain boundary there for his side, Sudeep. He's in pain here, and I can understand that because that's such a vulnerable area. I got hit there a number of times. It's good that he has put some padding there to cover that area.
That's a good delivery, going down the leg side. 23 for no loss.